Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with a laptop. Now to scan the Wi-Fi QR code from laptop, this is a very easy step. You just need to watch this video till the very end. So you just need to simply swipe from the very top right hand side and long press on the Wi-Fi button on Android. And if you're using an iPhone, then you just need to go on the option of password and you just need to verify yourself that it is you trying to see the QR code. So you just need to generate the QR code of your Wi-Fi on a device. So after generating the code, you just need to take your phone towards your laptop camera. So you just need to take your phone towards the laptop camera and you just need to show it on the camera like this. And after a few moments of trying it, the Wi-Fi QR code will be scanned by laptop and it will be connected to your Wi-Fi. So that's it. That's how you can connect your Wi-Fi. That's it. That's how you can scan a Wi-Fi QR code with laptop on 2026. That's it. Thank you.